I'm a little intoxicated, I'm not gonna lie. So what if it's not even 10 p.m. and it's a Tuesday night?
This video you just seen is a popular scene of the movie called Social Network, where I swap my face with the face of Mark Zuckerberg, and for doing this kind of stuff you can use this exact tool I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So watch till the end to learn how you can do the same thing with any kind of videos and replace any character from any videos. So the tool I'm using is Higgsfield Kling O1, and this is a new tool that just released, and it can swap any kind of character from any videos. Maybe it's from a movie scene, or maybe your own video you recorded or anything. You can choose any kind of character with your own photo, and they also allow to upload custom prompt and custom faces to swap inside the video. Let me show you how you can use this tool. Before we go to the tutorial, let me show you some more example how you can actually swap this kind of face, and here are some example that you can do with this tool.
When I'm barring, brothers in the hood just like the movie that I'm starring. Servicing my whip, I phone the boss to bring my car.
Get a weakness, you gotta see this. Yeah. Today I don't feel like doing anything.
To use this tool, you just need to go to their website on higgsfield.ai. From here, you just need to go to your video section. From here, you need to select this tool, Kling O1 Edit. Basically, this tool is a combined tool with the same Kling API and also with all the other prompt and other element you can add inside this video. So let me show you how I edit this same video with this tool. So first of all, you have to add a video. For my case, I cropped a video from that movie scene. For this, I used CapCut. I just cropped the scene from that exact clip to fit it under 10 seconds, because this video only allow input till 10 seconds. So I just open the same video that I want to edit and I just crop it. So this is a quick tip that if you want to make a long video with consistent character and change the face or the character from that video, you can do the same thing. You can just open the video inside your CapCut and you can crop the video in different part. Let's say first part 10 seconds and second part 10 seconds, like this. You can make different copies and then you just swap the character, and then you can combine all the videos together. So as you can see here, I inputted the same video right here. So I'm just going to click again and input the same video. So this was my original clip, and here I used one of my face photo. You can see here it's inserted here, and then here is the prompt. So I added a simple prompt like that, replace the person from the video with the person photo that I added, and also keep the same style and same dress, everything. And now you can see, let me play the original clip and you will see the difference how it actually looks. So this was the original audio.
I'm a little intoxicated, I'm not gonna lie. So what if it's not even 10 p.m. and it's a Tuesday night?
So this is the original video, and now we see the output. So this was the output.
I'm a little intoxicated, I'm not gonna lie. So what if it's not even 10 p.m. and it's a Tuesday night?
So as you can see, the character is really consistent and the output is really natural. Like the expression, how the actor everything is intact. And let me show you one more example how you can mention a character image or video inside the prompt. So if you want to mention, so if I write a replace, then I want to mention the video that I added. So I can just type @ and you can see the option. It will automatically show all the element that you added inside the person face or the video. So you can just press enter and add the video as a reference. So if you want to with the face, so if I want to add the person face, I can do the same thing. I just type @ and I can choose the person face like this. So this tool make mentioning the character and the face to write a better prompt is really nice. You can just mention them by typing @ and selecting the character or selecting the image or video to replace inside the video. So this is the way. This is another video I created. So as you can see, it's also keep the character totally consistent with all the movement and everything. You can download and also upscale it if you want. And if you want to buy this tool, there is a ongoing offer right now because this is now a Black Friday offer and also the Christmas season. So you are getting unlimited generation on any kind of tools. Let's say you want to use the Kling O1 video edit. They are offering free unlimited generation, and also Kling 2.6 free unlimited image generation. For first year unlimited free, and also Flux and Seed Dream Nano Banana Pro, everything is for 1 year unlimited. And also they are giving 50% discount on yearly package. So if you want to try this tool, you can just go to their website and buy right now. They also have another really cool tools that I really like to use, that is their image section. From here you can also use the Nano Banana Pro, their latest Nano Banana with enhanced feature. You can use the same Nano Banana Pro tools, I mean the Nano Banana 2, with their customized add images feature, so it will give a more accurate output. They also have one more tools that really nice, is the click to add. You can just open this tool and add
Adoro
a
questa t-shirt
link to any product,
personalizzabile,
and
è
it will make
comoda,
the
la
video.
stampa è
So
nitidissima.
as you can see on the screen, this was a video I created. So I just uploaded the t-shirt photo and the logo, and also just a simple product description. With just a single click, it created this ad.
Adoro questa t-shirt personalizzabile, è comoda, la stampa è nitidissima e la posso modificare come voglio. Ci sono taglie fino alla 5XL.
So as you can see, you can also generate multilingual. So as you can see, this video is in Italian. You can also generate in Portuguese or France or English or Bengali, any language you want. So I hope you understand how to use these new tools by Higgsfield AI Kling O1 Edit. And this tool is really nice, must try out. And they are also giving free credit every day. You don't have to buy anything. You can just go to their website and collect the credit, and also generate any kind of videos or images you want. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.